When you first land on the Intuitive Password homepage, you're greeted with a clean and minimalist design that feels both professional and user-friendly. Navigation is straightforward, with quick access to all key features right from the dashboard. Signing up is quick, requiring only an email and a master password. Once inside, the setup wizard guides you through importing passwords and configuring security settings, which is helpful for new users. The core feature of Intuitive Password is its Secure Vault. It allows you to store not just passwords, but also credit card information, secure notes, software licenses, and more. Each entry can be categorized and tagged for easy sorting, and the search functionality is responsive and accurate. One standout is the multi-layer security system. Besides the usual two-factor authentication, the site includes options like secret questions, password history tracking, and even a decoy account feature that lets you create a fake profile to mislead intruders. The browser extension works with Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and while it performs well, it sometimes struggles with autofill on certain complex forms. Mobile support is solid, with apps available on iOS and Android. These apps sync smoothly with the web version and include biometric login, which is a nice convenience. The UI on mobile is a bit outdated but functional. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One area where Intuitive Password falls short is in user experience on older devices or slower connections. Page loads can lag occasionally. Also, while the basic plan is free, it's quite limited in functionality. Premium tiers offer better features, like encrypted sharing and emergency access, but the pricing can seem steep compared to competitors offering similar tools. There is also no native desktop app, which might be a downside for users who prefer working outside the browser. Support is available via email, and although responses are helpful, they're not always prompt. A live chat feature would greatly enhance the overall support experience. Security-wise, Intuitive Password uses strong ES256 encryption, and all data is zero-knowledge encrypted, meaning not even the company can view your vault. The transparency in how your data is handled adds a layer of trust. If you're looking for a reliable and fairly customizable password manager with advanced security options, Intuitive Password is worth trying. Just be aware of the limitations depending on your device preferences and budget. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more deep dive reviews like this.